3971, contact departure.
6 to departure, heading up for the phone, 3971. Yeah, 4988 heavy, we're holding short, we'll be ready whenever you guys are able.
That is the 4th largest plane in the world. It's an Antonov An-124 Ruslan that landed here at the Rockford Chicago International Airport. Here's a couple facts about it. Antonov An-124 Ruslan, designed by Antonov Design Bureau, formerly USSR, Ukraine. First flight 1982, role heavy cargo transport, length 226 feet, wingspan of 240 feet, max takeoff weight 892,000 pounds. Payload capacity is 150 tons roughly. It can carry tanks, helicopters, satellites, or other aircraft. Crew 4 to 6, which depends on configuration. The nose can hinge upward for front loading, similar to a 747. Equipped with onboard crane system for self-loading, it has 28 wheels and kneeling landing gear for to lower the fuselage for easier loading. As far as the total built, 55. As far as what's still in service as of 2024, roughly 25 to 30 still operational, depending on maintenance and fleet updates.